Advanced Orthomolecular Research AOR, Ortho C+, lemon, 8.47 ounces, 240 grams. Product Overview Description: high-dose vitamin C and electrolyte formula, 20 servings, premium vegetarian non-GMO gluten-free dietary supplement, GMP manufacturing, quality assured, independent testing. Discussion: Ortho C Plus is formulated based on the research of Linus and Matthias Rath on lipoprotein, LPA. Ortho C Plus contains vitamin C, calcium, and magnesium. Suggested use: stir 1 level tablespoon, 11.5 grams, into a glass of water or juice once daily, or as directed by a qualified healthcare practitioner. Other ingredients: silicon dioxide, natural lemon flavor, maltodextrin, dextrose, acacia gum and tricalcium phosphate, and propylene glycol. AOR guarantees that have been included on the label. Made without wheat, gluten, dairy, soy, eggs or shellfish. Warnings: consult your physician before use if you're pregnant, lactating, have a medical condition, or if you're taking any medication. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is broken. Store tightly sealed in a cool, dry place. Disclaimer: while AOR strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by AOR.